Hey, shalom again. Look at the blanket here, Ko. There's a lot of blanket here. Darwin, look at him. The machine. Here is on top of the hill there, the little mountain, digging the stones, bringing them down. So watch me carrying one. Oh, hi everyone. Oh, look at Mom Fundis. We call her Mom Fundis. She's picking up stones. Yeah, she's working. She's working. Oh, yeah, woman of God. There she comes. There she comes. There she comes. There come 2 stones. There she's going to put at the peak where we are putting them. We are piling them. We are piling them. Look at her. Yes, and some we can see some of the stones that side. There, over there. That little pile you are seeing is a pile of stones. We are putting in this another one on the other side of this little mountain. We are gathering stones, building the road at Mercyland. Mercyland, the Mercyland, home of peace. Look at him, Taun. He's busy. Yeah. Yeah, there are other stones here. Can see them. This one. Missy, Mama is picking them up. She's picking them up. She's taking them to that place where we are piling them. On the pile again. Oh, woman of God is working. She's working hard. Oh, for the kingdom. There she put them. For the kingdom. She's coming back to take some. You can stop. It's okay. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. For the opportunity. This hand can't stop. Can't stop.